take a look at this Rolls Royce. So I don't know what year this is. I don't even know if this Rolls Royce still runs. That thing popping, boy. I love to look at the inside. Look at the front of it. Look at this joint. A little rusty. Yeah, I don't even think this Rolls Royce run. I don't even think this bad boy run. Rolls Royce sign. Definitely a classic Rolls. Definitely needs some work inside. Oh yeah, it's dirty inside too. This what you call right here, this what you call old money. That's old money. Somebody, some old head had this, you know what I mean? This old money. They took the Rolls Royce emblem off of it, thing popping. Now, with that old classic Rolls Royce, this is what I would like to do. I would like to get that and get it running. You know, I would love to buy that Rolls Royce and get it running. Because like I said, that thing is just sitting there collecting dust. And whoever owns it, you know, I'm guessing it's probably an older guy that really doesn't give a damn about it. Because it's just sitting there collecting dust. You know, a guy like me, I definitely would, I would like to hook that up. Because like I said, the frame is there. Any of those jumped out Rolls Royces never have the Rolls Royce emblem on it that pops up. People always steal those and that type of thing. But even without that, it's got, you know, it's got the original Rolls Royce rims on it. You know, it's a Rolls Royce, everything except for that emblem. That emblem, I think that emblem costs a couple thousand. That little pop-up thing, the wing, the angel, whatever it is, I think it costs a couple thousand. I gotta price that, but I would love to buy this car, and we will see if it'll happen. Now that white Rolls Royce, like I said, I don't know what year it is, but that's what you call old money. You know what I mean? Because whoever had that, I mean, man, like they have a Rolls Royce in any time zone, that's some old money. Now, I don't even think that Rolls Royce runs. The tire's flat, it's just sitting there. I think it's kind of junked out, but the frame is still intact. You know, I don't see anything wrong with the frame. But like I said, that's what you call old money. You know what I mean? Somebody had some old money. Somebody was up in the past. You know what I'm saying? Somebody was definitely big pimping with that one. Here we go, Vertical Rich Sunday. Right there. Woo! I don't know what year this is. Look at this old convertible. That thing popping. Hey, I came out of Dairy Queen. My man got the Ninja Turtle with the passenger seat. The size of the car, man. Look. Camaro, fire. That's fire. Now I lay my heaven down. Got my fingers to the ground. Now I lay my heaven down. Nice day out here. Hey yo, this E450 Benz, I like that white color too. It look good at nighttime, you know what I mean? They living that vert life up there. Benz for you and your friends, you know what I'm saying? What's that, an E450? E450 Benz. Parts. Look. Open the gates to the pearly gates, baby. You know what I mean?